Creating document types. Document types are used for purposes of controlling user access to different types of information, and then using roles to give users access to those documents. To create a new document type, click the Document Type submenu under the Administration main menu. Click the Add button, enter a name, select whether the document type data will be exportable, and enter an optional description. Vendor response requirements can be set, so that any new headings in the document will automatically receive those response requirements. This can be beneficial, if for example a legal document type is created, and will always require the vendor to comply or not comply with each clause. By default, no users have access to the new document type, so they need to be given permission. This is done from the User Role Manager. Select a user role, expand the document type, and apply the permissions. In this example, we apply the permissions to only the Tender Manager role. Only users with this role will be able to add, edit, view and delete this document type. Repeat the process for any other user roles which need to view this type of document. Now, when a user with the Tender Manager role creates a new document, the new document type will be listed in the selector. The User Access tab will show which user roles have access to the document, and the requirements will be automatically selected in the Vendor Response Requirements tab. After the document has been created, all of the headings automatically receive the same requirements set when creating the document type.